Hi everyone, my name is Esley. Today, I want to show you how you could scan documents or even whiteboards using either an iPhone or an Android phone entirely free of charge. This app is great for taking notes during or after company meetings, tutorials, and school lectures. Now you might be thinking, I could just use the camera app on my phone to take a picture of the document, and that works just fine. For example, here I am on my Android phone, and I have this document and I could go ahead and let's just take a quick picture of it. The issue here is, it's not the best quality for a scan, and there are some apps out there that can take much better photos of documents. And today, I want to show you the app made by Microsoft. Now this app will work on either an Android phone or an iPhone. Today, I have an Android phone, so I'm gonna show you how to do it on an Android phone. However, the iPhone interface is almost identical to the Android interface, so even if you have an iPhone, you'll be able to follow along. So how do we do this? Well, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna download the app. And to do that on an iPhone, you go to the App Store. But for Android, which is what I'm using now, you'll go to the Google Play Store. And so, I'm gonna go ahead and just click into the Play Store app right from my phone. And next is, I'm gonna go ahead and type in Microsoft Office. And you'll see that the top listing here is the Microsoft Office app. Now, if you don't yet have the app on your phone, you could go ahead and click on install. It doesn't cost you anything. It's a free app to put on your phone. So now in my case, I've already installed the app on my phone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and enable the app so I can open it. So I'm gonna click on open, and this will open up the Office app. And then I'll just log into my app here. Now with this Office app, what you can do is it does a lot more than just scanning documents. You could also create Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents. You could create Word documents directly from your phone. I'll choose and press the Don't Send Optional Data button here. Press the Close button to proceed further. I'll then press the Skip for Now and Try Later button as we are just testing this app. If you like this app, you can try the 30-day free trial. So there's a lot more you can do than just scanning documents, but in this case, I want to show you how to create a scan using the Microsoft Office app. So what I'll do in this main interface is we'll find the big Create button below on the right hand corner. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna click on the Create button, and then 3 different things will pop up. One is Note, one is Scan, and the last one is the Voice option. Microsoft has another app called the Office Lens app, and the Office Lens app is amazing at taking photos of documents or whiteboards, and it cleans them up very nicely. And what Microsoft has done is they've integrated that functionality into the Office app. So you have all that same functionality from Lens directly here, and plus you get a lot of other really nice and awesome functionalities. So what I want to do is I want to scan this document. So I'm going to click on the scan option in the middle, and that'll bring up the Microsoft Lens app. And so here's that same document that I had scanned in the beginning of this video. As I scan the document, you'll notice how it puts borders around the document, so it's identifying the edges of the document accurately. So what it does is it automatically adjusts the document, so it looks like you're looking straight down at the document itself. And what I could do then is to click the next button at the bottom. Then we'll see a good amount of filters displayed that we can choose from. And then, within the filters option, what I could do is, I could apply different filters to the document. So here, I could use the black and white option, where you see a little bit of the paper. And then here's this grayscale filter. I really like the black and white option the most, as it gets rid of all the kind of paper texture in the background, and it's a really presentable scan of this document. And what I can also do is I can also change the mode of the document. If, let's say, I selected document filter, but I really scanned a whiteboard, or maybe it was a photo, we can change it through these filters. So all this looks good, and I'm satisfied with this filter, and so I'm gonna go ahead and press the save button. What I can also do after scanning this document is either convert it to a PDF file or share it. I'll click the More option, and we'll see More option where we can convert it to a Microsoft Word document or to a Microsoft PowerPoint file, or simply rename the file. I'm gonna go ahead and convert it to a Word document first. In here, we could rename this new file, or we can press the 3 dots above to see other options. We can either make edits on the new file, share it now, or just save it on my phone. I'm going to go back to the options and this time and I'll set it to a different file. I'll select the create a PDF option to convert this image file to PDF, and then I could choose what type of file I want to save it as by pressing the keyboard menu or the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can also print the document, do a search, add text on top of the file, and rotate the PDF file. We can also see that there is a signature mode option here, which will allow you to sign the scanned document on the go, which is very convenient. And things I could also do here is, if we go back to the original document, I could press the add button in the bottom left-hand corner. This allows me to scan documents in bulk in case I have more documents that I want to scan. I could click on the add button and this will add another image to the Word file or PDF file that I'll be creating instead of images that I have already scanned. All in all, some of the other things I could do is, I could crop the page more, I can rotate it further, or I could type additional text on there. I could also add annotations to image scans and PDF files using the ink option at the bottom of the screen. Annotation is always nice to have, and so I could go over here and add more information to this file. If we go back to the document, and if I select the text option, you will see this screen instead. If you would like to share your files now, you will just have to select that particular file, and then you'll see the share options at the bottom. By clicking the share option, we can now see several options that we can choose from. We can either upload it in the cloud using Google Drive or use Microsoft's cloud service, OneDrive. We can email it to others using Gmail or use Microsoft Outlook. It's completely your choice. However, I want to share that file and would like to still be able to access it in the future. To do that, I'm gonna go ahead and select and upload to Google Drive. After uploading to Google Drive, I should now be able to access it on my phone, or I could access it on my PC, or whatever device I use to get back to that file. Anyway, hopefully this video helped show you how you could scan high quality files using either your iPhone or your Android phone, and it's entirely for free. Anytime I encounter interesting information or get documents in the mail, electric and water bills, and I don't want to keep a hard copy, I'll just scan them into my phone, upload them to the cloud, then I don't have to worry about it anymore. This helps prevent all the clutter in my workspace. If you want to see future videos like this, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. And if you have any other ideas or any other videos that you want to see me create, leave a comment down below.